Hello, good morning everyone. So we were discussing important paper that is Telangana state examinations. So this is set 2. Set 1 I already discussed question number 1 to 5 and this is question number 6 to 10. Let's discuss and solve this paper as soon as early because your examinations will be on 11 June. So I think we have to solve many questions so that it will help you. Okay. Question number 6 says the second meeting of the Startup 20 engagement group under India's G20 presidency was held at Gangtok. Okay, here you can answer two questions. Where the summit has done, that is in Gangtok. Okay, now in March 2023, consider the following statement in relations to. So there are some statements. Let's start read them. Mentoring, market access, and funding were identified as critical areas for startup. So you have to say that this is right or wrong because here we have to check the correct statement. Okay. So A is right or wrong. Mentoring, market access, and funding were identified as critical area of startup. Very true because if you going to start any business or anything for initial time or a new strategy, so you have to study all the market access, right? So statement A is correct. Now we'll move on statement B. The need for a single window platform for easing access to funds and knowledge sharing across G20 nations was highlighted. So G20 summit that has highlighted this scenario or not? Yes, obviously. So this is all right. Option C. The decision was taken to establish a common startup 20 with Chinese initiative at Shanghai. No, that is absolutely wrong. So startup engagement group under India will not connect with Chinese initiative. So option A and B is right. Okay. Let's move on. Question number 7. Which of the following research institute developed a pocket-friendly device to detect milk adulteration in 30 seconds? You know that milk adulteration is the worst thing, okay? Because every Indian is using, I'm not telling every second Indian, but most of the people using milk, and there is like many people are there who make something into the milk and deteriorate the purity. So now the milk adulteration we can detect in 30 seconds. So which research has done that? IIT Madras, IICT Hyderabad, the National Dairy Research Institute, or NDRI, that is in Karnal, Haryana. So anything can be asked as your question. So just write down each and every important point in your notebook. The National Institute of Dairy Science and Technology, Ludhiana, NIDST, NDRE. Okay, so the right answer will be IIT Madras is the institute who has research on a pocket-friendly device that is milk adulteration in 30 seconds. Okay, that's really proud of thing. Next, question number 8. The Government of India announced setting up of the PM Mitra Mega Textile Park in the following state. So, PM Mitra Mega Textile Park is already started or not? Just tell me in the comment section. PM Mitra Mega Textile. And he has also started some new strategy for startup business. Can you tell me any name? If you know, then please add on the comment section. Okay. So, which one state includes the textile park? Tamil Nadu, Tripura, Gujarat, or Telangana? Tamil Nadu, Tripura is there? No. Gujarat is there? Bilkul. Arey Baba, Gujarat is the like business and Gujarat that is interconnected, and we are talking about textile park. So obviously Gujarat will lead. Telangana is also very popular place for textile. So answer will be A, B, and D. We have any option? Yes, option number 4. A, B, and D. Next question, question number 9. Which of the following won the World Summit on the Information Society in Bracket Prize? Bracket Prize, okay. I don't think this word is suits here. No. This question is society. Yes, not price. This is price. Which of the following won the World Summit on the Information Society in 2023? Acha, won prize. Won the World Summit. The following won the World Summit on the Information Society. Yes, not in. There is only prize. Yes. Which of the following won the World Summit on the Information Society Prize 2023? Audit Online, which facilitates online audit across Panchayati Raj institution. India Audit, which facilitates online audit across GST. The three Indian Online, which facilitates online grievance redressal mechanisms. Or option 4, Indian Investment, which facilitates online investment for startup. So what will be the right answer? Which of the following won the World Summit on the Information Society Prize 2023? So that is Audit Online institution. Yes, Audit Online, which facilitates online audit across Panchayati Raj institution. So it had won a prize. Okay. Question number 10. This is the last question of this set. Okay. We'll do question number 11 also, but in upcoming classes. If you like the class, please like and share the class, and please comment also if you have any suggestion for this class, so I can definitely be there to read all the comments and follow up accordingly. Question number 10 says, consider the following statement regarding the Elephant Whispers, the documentary that won an Oscar award in 2023. Okay, so there is a movie that is Whispers, and it is a very nice movie. It won the Oscar award also 2023. So the documentary tells the story of an indigenous couple named Bowman and Billy as they care for an orphaned baby elephant. Option B, the documentary was shot in Nagarhole National Park, Kodagu, Karnataka. Yes, what will be the answer? The documentary was shot in Nagarhole National Park, Kodagu, Karnataka. No. This is the right answer. Documentary tells the story of indigenous couple named Bowman and Billy as they care for orphaned baby. Can you tell me where this movie shot? This is your homework question. Anything can become in your examinations. So I'm just giving you one question. Just tell me if you are watching this video. Tell me the answer and let me know in comment section. Thank you so much. We'll meet soon in our next class. Be there and subscribe the channel.